Phase change occurs through deviations in temperature and/or pressure. Thus explains why typically it rains when it is cold. The particles in the gaseous cloud lose energy to the colder system or surroundings, descending as an aqueous substance. A phase change is a physical change or reaction. Solid to liquid, melting. Liquid to solid, freezing. Liquid to gas, vaporization. Gas to liquid, condensation. Solid, liquid, gas. These are the three most prevalent phases known to mankind, and also the three imperative entities that are the building blocks for the entire universe. A solid retains a fixed volume and shape, and is rigid as a result of particles being locked into place. Solids have little free space between particles, and little as in a fraction of a fraction of a fraction. Thus, they are not easily compressible. As a result, particles cannot move or slide past one another and do not flow easily. When a solid gains sufficient energy, it will phase change. Depending on the amount, it could go straight to a gas. However, such a process requires a great amount of energy. Liquid particles can slide past one another, therefore they have the ability to assume the shape of the container which it occupies. However, this does not make them easily compressible due to the lack of free space between particles. Instead, liquid particles flow easily as they retain the ability to shift past one another. When provided energy, the liquid substance will phase change into the gaseous state. A gas also assumes the shape of its container, however, it even assumes the volume. Particles as a gas also have free space between one another, thus are very compressible. As the highest energy level out of the three, particles are able to move past one another and flow easily. States of matter: a blatant distribution of interacting particles, sometimes united as a whole, sometimes divided. However, all play a role in a much larger system. A system of equilibrium, a system of homeostasis, or even a system of disorder. This is not just chemistry or biology, it's not just another science, it's a fundamental understanding, a universal comprehension of our very own existence. These are the states of matter.
And after the story, you too could be a lifesaver.
Sir, can you hear me?
Sir, can you hear me?